Okay, so as promised, I'm going to show you guys some mind-blowing techniques throughout this course, and here's your first one. Please ensure that you are not driving while doing this exercise. If so, please end the video and come back to this when you are somewhere safe and can give your full attention to this. All right, what you're going to need for this exercise are your hands. So I want you to put up your left hand. I want you to look for the crease in your wrist. Take your right hand, find the crease in your right wrist, and what you're going to do is you're going to put your creases together, put your fingers together, and one finger is likely going to be longer than the other. For me, this one looks pretty significant. My left finger is quite a bit longer than my right finger. If your fingers are equal, they look the same, that's not a big deal. Just choose which hand you want to use for this technique. But what you're going to do is you're going to take your shorter finger. For me, this is in my right hand. Take your shorter fingered hand, put your hand up in the air, and you're going to close your eyes, and you are going to envision sending energy to your fingers. You're going to imagine sending your life force energy to your fingers and imagine them getting longer. And you can say in your mind or out loud, my fingers are growing longer, longer, longer. They're growing longer, longer, longer. You're welcome to move your fingers around. My fingers are growing longer, longer, longer. Okay, now open your eyes. Bring your wrists back together and look at your fingers. Yeah, that's pretty significant this time. Holy moly. I've done this technique I don't know how many times, and every time I'm still like, whoa, that is so wild. I wish I could see your faces right now, I can tell you that. So now you can just drop your hands right here to your heart and say thank you, because your body is so magnificent and your mind is awesome, and where your focus goes, energy flows. So the way you can apply this practically in your life is if you have an ailment in your body, if something in your joints hurt, or you have an ailment or disease in a certain area of your body, and you put your hand on that area and you imagine that area getting love and healing and life force energy flowing to it, imagine what would happen. If you can lengthen your finger by thought alone in a matter of a few seconds, imagine what you could do to an ailment. I'm not making any medical claims here, but I do hold a belief that your body is capable of healing itself. And, well, what do you have to lose? Give it a try, right? So that is your first exercise. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys on week 2 calls. Take care.